You can play with the Galaxy S23 the day Samsung announces it, just like your favorite tech influencer at the event.
Uh-huh.
Ooh, look, my hands are on the new...
So flashy.
I got my hands on a thing. My hands are touching a thing right now.
Tons of B-roll.
My hands are touching a new thing. That wasn't... It wasn't
Touching
here yesterday.
Good Lord.
My hands are touching a brand new thing from a company that wants me to touch it and buy it.
Yuck.
And I'm at an event in New York City. Yeah. Well, listen, I've been doing this for a long time, all right? So leave me alone, Will. But actually, it's not a bad idea. It's kind of cool. Everyone gets to have that experience.
Play around with
and
it.
well, here's the thing. People they're wanting to be early adopters. Well, I don't know about in 2023 because I'm hearing a lot of global this and that. I'll tell you what. I'll tell you a thing or two about that, Will. Anecdotally, in public, people are concerned. Used Tesla car prices, real estate, mortgage brokers. I'm just going to keep saying scary words. Artificial Bitcoin pump, or that's another headline. I'm reading the news, Will. I'm reading the news.
But, okay, if this wasn't like an Ultra or something, what if it's like Samsung's newest cool phone, like the triple fold something?
No, it doesn't matter.
You would want to try it out.
No. Listen, even the Ultra, I like the idea. Why they got to go online and like watch all these videos and then they got to wait 2 weeks, or they just have to pre-order it sight unseen, which it works for a lot of people, and that's fine. And they're not going to go to these events anyways. But if you want a little bit more interaction and it's a big investment, and in the case of this Ultra, you're spending $1,300 US in some cases. Yeah, man, go wrap your mitts around it. Go goof around a little bit, see if you really want it. There's 5 standalone Galaxy Experience spaces for this Galaxy S23 launch. Here are the cities. San Francisco from Feb 1 to 25. That'll be at 111 Powell Street. In London, Feb 1 to March 12th, Westfield White City. Paris, Feb 1 to March 1, Westfield Le Fortemps. Singapore, Feb 2 to 25, Gardens by the Bay West Lawn. And Dubai, Feb 2 to 28 at Dubai Mall. Oh man, is there even more planned? For those in the U.S. who don't live anywhere near San Francisco, don't worry. At a handful of Samsung stores here, there will also be Galaxy Experience spaces set up. So they won't be dedicated pop-ups for that, but where there's already Samsung stores. So like if you see in Toronto there, you have Yorkdale and Toronto Eaton Center at the bottom. So you have options in Toronto. In New York, you have Roosevelt Field, Palo Alto, Manila, LA. I mean, yeah. You can take a look at the list and go get a few minutes with it in store before you decide to order it up. It is increasingly a big investment, these things. Well,
it is cool.
You might want to touch. You might want to feel.
Oh, yeah.